one, we got a Max in front, we got Audi R8s, we got everything, but that's it! Alright boys, you feel that, yeah? R8s and all that. Oh, but we're in the back like, swinging all over the place. So people, we're just gonna get some petrol just before we head off. Obviously it's the night before, but yeah, well the day before we actually leave. I've got the car here at my local petrol station. So we want just super. Obviously I'm not gonna show you guys my pins, so I'm gonna put that away. But yeah, so we're just getting some petrol so we get a full tank. There's not much that needs left, but get that to a full tank, and then essentially tomorrow will be my last day at work. So I get be able to clean my car there, and then the car will be set, ready to go and sorted. Tank. So that is all sweet. Full tank. Wash. We don't need any more in here. I don't know what that noise, that was a weird noise. But yeah, so all done. Nope. So yeah, our car is fully ready now to go Germany. Obviously tomorrow all it needs is a nice clean. I've packed all my stuff's ready, recording stuff's all ready. Obviously this is part one, and you guys have probably just seen the video on the new wheels. They are looking so sexy. But yeah, so we're all ready. Further ado, let's get into tomorrow where I'm going to be cleaning the car. And if you didn't guys know, you actually have to have a UK sticker now instead of a GB. But yeah, further ado, let's get into the car. It'll be tomorrow, and we'll clean the car so it's all ready, and then we'll be leaving Friday. Right, so people, it's next day. As you can see, I cleaned my car at work. She's looking 10-10. Look at that gloss. She's looking sexy. We have to have the UK sticker. So it has to be UK now rather than GB. Don't know if anyone knows that, but that is the law. And you also, don't know if you guys knew this as well. I didn't. So we've got tyre, I don't know, just to help me, you know, if I get a flat tyre. And then down here, we've also got a breathalyzer kit. So you actually need these by law now. I don't know if it's the same in Germany, but I know in France for sure you have to have a breathalyzer kit. So if they pull you, they breathalyze you, and you have to have your own breathalyzer kit. So we've got that. I've got a couple hundred in euros as well. That's not me trying to be a knob. That's just me saying, because if you get pulled, like speeding fine or something, they literally make you get the cash out there and then. So you have to have the cash in hand. So if I've got it, I can just give them 100 euros and off they go, and I get away with it. So yeah, we're ready to go. I'm gonna cut to tomorrow morning. If you want to see inside, we've got all the cameras set up in here, so we're all ready to go. We are set. So yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow morning when we go and pick my mate Scott up, and the owner of Bag Heaven. We'll go and pick Scott up, and then we're gonna meet people at the services, and then we'll make our way all the way down to Folkestone. So yeah, I'm gassed. First time going abroad. But yeah, let's get into it, and let's go pick Scott up at 6 in the morning. Right, yes people, it is now Friday morning. It's around 6:50. I'm just gonna go and get Scott, and then we will be, well, at the services and essentially on our way to Germany, which is mental. I've never gone abroad before, not like without my parents and, you know, all that stuff. I mean, I've not been away for like 4 years, so this is going to be mental for me. And I'm driving on a country that, well, I've never driven on the other side of the road before, so big challenge, but you know, we're going to get through it. That's why I'm vlogging this whole thing. It's a sick trip. I don't know how many parts are going to be, but yeah, I'm gassed, man. So I'm going to go and get Scott, and then obviously we're going to jump on the train, and then yeah, well, let's see how it goes. You mad, bruv? Driving on a different side of the road in a different country. Yeah, it's like a 5-hour drive, I believe. So yeah, it's gonna be fun. So let's get into it. I'll catch you guys, well, I guess when we're either getting food or when we're at the at Folkestone doing the train bit. So I'll catch you guys there. basically, we're at the terminal to get in. There's a C63, there's Lambos and that over there. We just had a mad little tear down with some motorbikes, so I'll put that in the video now as well. Active, but yeah, we're gonna check in and go from there. I don't really know what's gonna happen now, but yeah, catch you in a bit. We're here, we've got a 996, I think it's a 996 turbo behind me. They're turning up, there's cars everywhere, we've got Subarus, everything. Look at the whips, AMGs, Audi R8s. Yeah, this is gonna be a shut down. Need to find Cam. But yeah, this is gonna be active. So many cars here. Actually, I can't wait for this video. It's gonna be mental. Yeah, there's a Lambo, there's a Aventador down there. Yeah, some serious whips.
They're on W3, they're on a different one. They're on a different one.
Good morning. There you go. Nurburgring, just like everyone else probably, isn't it? Oh, I try not to. Everyone's told me that at work, don't crash it, and I'm like, yeah, try not to. Wow, look at them, serious motors, all of them. Lambo, Hurricane, Aventador. So people, update, we are now through. We're just literally waiting to get onto the train. So I'll flick it around. As you can see, we've got our you know, whatever the thing is they use to scan it. But yeah, so now we're just waiting. We're in lane 10. Some of the boys that I know are up there, and then Cam, Panther and all that, all the other lot that we're also going with, they are coming as well. I don't know where they are, they're a bit behind me. Somehow I got the late train, early train, and then managed to get on the earlier train, and I'm in front of everyone that we're meant to be meeting. So it's worked out of my way, so I'm not going to complain. But yeah, so we're just chilling. We're going to wait to get on the train, and then obviously after that we'll be in Germany. Well, no, France, then Germany. Yeah, you get what I mean. So people, we are now in France. We're on the train, as you can see out there, kind of. We are now in France. We're just going to wait for 4G and all that to turn on. I've changed the dial to kilometers. So yeah, we've just got to wait for everyone, because they're on the train behind us, so wait for them, and then we'll meet up with everyone. There's like Lambos and stuff, so yeah, let's get into it. Oh, look at that, bro. Whee! Oh, that's mad. So we are now in France. We're driving with everyone. We've got Max in front in his E63S. We got Cam, we got Lambos, we got Audi R8s, we got everything, but active. Yeah, we're active. As you can see in front, we've got all the big boy toys. So yeah, we're gonna enjoy the drive, see some cinematics. I don't really know where we're going yet, but we're just kind of following everyone. And yeah, we'll see where we end up. What are you gonna do? Yo, so we are now. Oh, this thing's annoying, but yeah. So we're now in Belgium, and you can see we've got all the cars. You've got Max's C63, got E63, sorry. We've got Lambos, we've got Cam over there. I'll try and get some more shots of their cars in a bit when we're rolling. But yeah, it's been all right so far. We had to dodge police. They were trying to block us and that, so we just cut off. But yeah, we're doing all right. So we're gonna get back on the road again. We're filled up, we're ready. So yeah, let's get some rolling shots of all the cars, and I'll show you what cars we are rolling with. So we're just driving through Belgium right now. But we've got another tunnel here. Another one. away from Germany now, and we've just been getting some photos and stuff, which I'll chuck in now. The videos look absolutely sick, so I can't wait to show you them. But yeah, man, we're only an hour away now, so yeah. So I'll catch you guys. Probably we're going straight to Nurburing first, and then we'll obviously catch you guys once we are there, and I'll probably put in some other clips if we get any more. Peace. Right, yes people, it is the next day now. So we literally checked in last night. I'll probably show you the room in some clips now, but we're checked in. We're now going to go and get some food as it's early in the morning. We've got some tunes on. Yeah mate, got the tunes on. So I'm going to pop this on my head. We do some GoPro footage driving around, and yeah, without further ado, just do a little POV drive, go and get some food, and then later today, once the weather's cleared up a little bit, we're going to go and hit the track, see what cars we can... Channel 1. Jesus. See what cars we can find. There's GT3 RS's, there's mad cars here. So there'll be a lot of car spotting videos. So yeah, without further ado, let's go for a little drive, and let's get into it. And we're actually doing a little GoPro video today. We're just driving through the local little town. So we are like literally 2 minutes away from the Nurburgring where we're staying. But we just thought we'd take you for a little drive around the area. It's a little city and that. It was a mad drive here. You'll probably see that in part 1. But yeah man, these roads are sick down here. Like, it's just, we turn traction off even though it's raining, but just look at these roads, man. Such good roads. Mental. Oh, it's actually mental. There's literally, like, I've seen no police as well. I hope you guys can hear that. Cheers, bro. I just thought I'll show you guys quickly. This is how mad the views are out here. You know, obviously we've got the Golf, but just look, it's mental out here. So I'm gonna get a quick snap for the Insta. But yeah, it's literally mental around here. We've got the Golf out here looking pretty, as you can see. Like, she's looking so sexy right now. One of the viewpoints, it's just mental. So there's police up there. We're gonna get a little photo. No cars coming, that's cool. But yeah, honestly, mental weather out here. So I'm gonna end it here. We're on, like, is it day 3, isn't it? Day 3, day 3, and we parked at this car park basically underneath the Nurburgring. So here you can see you got my car here, sexy Golf GTI. There's a couple other spaces around here as well. They're all reserved, but we've actually parked next to a GT3. But look at his number plate, 911XXX. That's a cold number plate. As I come down here, we've got a TTRS. Very nice with the Nurburgring Audi Sport stickers. You've got a whole line of AMG whips as well. I believe these are like A35s, A45s. Got a whole line of them. Not really too sure why. I'm not sure why, you know what I mean. But yeah, there's so much content out here. It's crazy. If you're a car YouTuber, this is the place to come. Like, I've never seen so many cars. It's like, if you're into cars, this is the place to be, mate. M2. These M2s are so popular out here at the moment. I don't know why, but everyone around here has got a BMW M2. I think it's probably because these are one of the perfect cars for, you know, tracking and stuff. But everyone around here has got an M2. Don't know what this is. This looks a bit mad with the brakes set up on it. But yeah, there's so much content. Like, look at this. You've got an M4, another M4. Oh, that's an M. I think it's an M4. I don't know. Sexy M4 with the Krapovich exhaust tips. We've got a white Supra, or purpley blue Supra. This is probably pushing something mental, because clean. Look at this. We've got the Club Sport. I believe it's a Club Sport, I'm not too sure. The wheels on it are proper clean though. And I think he's got, is that the TCR? Yeah, he's got the TCR diffuser on the rear as well. It's just like, look at the size of them tips. Oof. Them tips are huge. Got more cars down there. Oh my god, there's an there's an S4. I believe that's an S4. Around here, we've got an AMG. Black Series, well, I think it's a Black Series, I don't know, but that is mental. And that is a proper whip. Like you get in that, every girl is coming to your door. That is a banger of a whip. That is lame, bro. So I'm gonna show you a car that I've always wanted to see, and I've never ever seen one in real life until this day. And I've just found one, and I'm about to fuck cream in my pants, right? I'm gonna show you it now. Bad. I've never ever seen one of these in person ever before, but we got a GT3 RS, serious whip. You know, never ever seen one. Then we've also got the BMW M5 as well. This is a serious whip as well. So proper serious lineup. You get me? They're active out here. You know how they do. You get me? And then yeah, look, this is the front of it. Tell me that that does not look sexual. And that's actually an M3 competition, which I didn't realise. You can tell by the seats inside. Look at that. I know this is a special edition. Scott, look what it says down here. I don't even know, that's not even English, but yeah, that is evil. And then with the GT3 RS as well. Oof, oh my god. You can actually go out in this for like £500, so you never know. We might do that if the bank account allows it. But yeah, serious motors, serious motors. Right, so you just found a mad car. It's a Corvette. One of like the rare ones, the new ones. I'll show you now. Rarer ones, the new ones. I've never seen one of these before. But yeah, this looks bonkers. Never seen one. You've got some other cars. There's not really too much going on. Yeah, I've definitely never seen a Corvette before like that. This is like the most popular car over here, is a M2. There are literally M2s everywhere. Over there there's a AMG Black Series, a couple other cars over there. But yeah, mainly it's just people chilling, but we can get some clips there. We're also going to go up to where the Nurburing sign is and get some photos of our cars in front of there. See, there's my car, looking all sexy. Look, she's looking sexy, boys. Put it at 0.5, you can see. But yeah, we'll wait for the other cars to come back, and I'll record some other cars flying around. But yeah, it's mental up here. Like, it's so active for cars. Mental. So people, we finally, after a very long drive on the way back, I couldn't film because it got a bit techie. Not going to talk about it. We're not even going to talk about it. But we are finally home at last. The car made it. The car was wonderful this whole trip. You'll probably see we've got a GoPro video coming. We've got the Nurburgring video coming. We've got one that we done with my boy in his Polo GTI video coming. Yeah, we've got some content coming. So this is good. It didn't get as much content as I wanted because the second day it started snowing, etc. So it wasn't really any content I could film. But I've got a good 3 to 4 videos out of it and a lot of Instagram photos. So if you follow me here, Dsgpantha, you will see them. But the car is all good. The car made it. It's dirty. It needs a clean. But I'm going to bed. I'm cooking some macaroni cheese, and yeah, I'm done. I'm going to bed. So thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Hope you guys did enjoy this video. And if you want to see more track days, you know what? Let me know in the comments. And I'll see you guys in the next YouTube video. Peace. Oh, we got a Max in front, we've got Audi R8s, we've got everything, but that's it! Alright boys, you feel that, yeah? R8s and all that. Oh, but we're in the back like, swinging all over the place.